Hello, kinder class. I hope so you are fine with your family. Today I would like to show you what you need to do in your computer activity. The first thing I need to tell you is this is a new program. The name is Sketchpad and it's similar like a KitBits. Have some tools equal like a KitBits and other are similar. Okay, I would like to show you the program here. Look at this. In the left hand on the top we have a button with the name tools. If you click on there, the tools disappear from the program. Below we have a layer, another button with the name layers. Here is appear all the things you placed inside the activity. The other button is history. In this bottom appear the order you working in the activity. If you delete something, here is appear. If you paste something, it's appear. If you delete something, it's appear here. This one shows you all the things you did in the activity. Next we have a button with the name Undo. I click on here and look at this. The activity disappear. This Undo button is like a Mr. Oops in KitBits. And after that button we have a Redo. Redo is a button to recover the things you delete, right? Okay, I click on tools button. And the first thing we need to do before start an activity, not just computer class, whatever activity you need to complete, is read instructions, right? Okay, we need to read. And in this activity, the first word said, read carefully the words in the activity and select the text tool in the program to write 13 red words, right? Okay, the list of the words in this activity are, the first one is art, apple, bee, bat, can, car, do, dog, go, grass, house, have, is, igloo, lion, like, my, house, orange, on, to, tiger, water, we, you, and yo-yo. And we have a place here to write the red word list. Okay, now we are all ready to read. Now we need to know, now you need to write 13 red words. The next step is click on the letter T in the Tools panel. The letter T is the text box, like a KitBits, the capital letter T. Click on that tool and look at this. Below the letter T appear other options you can use in this program. We have a lot of options, but in this moment for the activity we are using font style, the choose font, the fill button, and the align button. That's the only tools we need to use today. If you want, after you finish the activity, explore or continue play with the program, you can do it. Okay, for now, choose the font. I click on here, choose the font, and it's appear a lot of options of fonts letters here. You can scroll down with the button on the right hand here. You hold your finger on the left click mouse, hold your finger and scroll down and you can see all the font styles. Wow, we have a lot of font styles here. Or if you have a mouse with a wheel between the left and the right button, you can use the button, the wheel, moving the wheel, and you can see all the font styles. In this moment, I'm going to choose a font style because I don't want to choose a font style. It's confused to understand what I write, right? And I would like my teacher to understand the words I'm writing. That's the reason I let the same font style or I choose a clear font style or simple font style to complete the activity. I let this one. Okay, I click on here and choose. Close this one, right. Now we are working with red words. I would like the list will be in color red. That's the reason we are use the fill button. click on the fill button. In this moment it's black. Click on, and you have probably this one colors or linear, or you have radial, or you have pattern, right? In this moment I click on colors and I select the color red, right? And you can see the option. Perfect. The next thing we need to do is place the text box in the right place to write. The first step you need to do is click on in the center of the activity one time, and it's appear in a text box. Do you see? How you move it? Click on the green squares in the corner and drag. I'm moving here. When I can see the green square, I hold my finger on the left click bottom mouse and I drag to move the text box. Again, I come in here this corner, your left down corner, and when I can see the green square, I hold my finger and moving down. All right, perfect. Oh, I need to delete the words type something. I click on here. Did you see? I click on here and I can see a blank line, right? I put it in the last one. And I found on the keyboard the red sticker. Remember, the red sticker here in the computer lab have a name, the key in the keyboard, and the name is backspace. If you click on here, you can delete the letters. All right. Now, use the numbers in the keyboard to type number 1, right? And after type number 1, use the enter key in the keyboard to jump next line. And tap one time on number 2. And again use the enter key in the keyboard to jump next line. And continue, do the same. Enter 4, enter 5, enter 6, enter 7, enter 8, enter 9, enter 10, enter 11, enter 12, enter 13. Why I request you write the numbers? Because if you write the red word list with a big letters, you will be confused. You have a bunch of things on your activity and you don't know where start one word and when finish that word and start the second word. Okay, when you finish to have the line of numbers, we need to use the third tool in the text tools for align the text. Look at this. We have a line to the left, a line to the center, a line to the right, and justify. In this moment we are use a line to the left. Perfect. We are good. Okay, now click on the number in front of the number 1, and with your spacebar key in the keyboard, tap one time and write the first red word you can find in the bunch of words. In this moment, the first red word is R. Okay? If you tap on enter key, you will be having a space between the number 1 and number 2. I don't want that. I click on the backspace key in the keyboard and come back. What do you need to do? With the mouse, click on in front number 1, then tap one time on the space bar, the big key in the keyboard to give an space, and write the second red word. I like to go in top to down. I like to go in order to read the words to complete the activity. And here the first one is R, is already. Apple is not a red word. I'm jumping that word and I'm continuing with the next word. Here is B. B is a red word. I'm typing B. If you make a mistake, if you don't write the word like a B in the activity, it's in the activity, you need to write with backspace the mistake and hold your tap on the letter, the right letter, to complete the word. Okay, don't forget, use the mouse, click on in front the number, spacebar, and write the next red word. Click on in front of the number with the mouse, space, and write the next red word. Click on the number, space, write. click on the number, space, write, and continue to do the same steps to complete the activity. I don't write the answers of this activity because the idea is you practice your knowledge you have about red words and practice too the computer skills, right? Okay, perfect. When you have the red list, you are already with the activity. Tell your parents or the person help you to working with the activity, take a picture and please send me by an email, okay? I hope so you enjoy it working with this program, and thank you. Have a good day.